Hey guys, so I just want to get on here really quick to show y'all a quick way to make enchiladas. And don't mind me, I look a hot mess. I know I'm in my natural habitat, but check this out. So all you need is tortillas, shredded cheese, enchilada sauce, Monterey Jack, and of course rotisserie chicken. What I did, I just stopped by Walmart real quick or Kroger's and I just picked it up already cooked. That way you won't have to worry about making the chicken. And the enchilada sauce, you can actually use whichever one that you prefer. I use this one because this is the one that my suegra uses and it's good. I like it. So before we get started, I usually put the rice to cook. That way, meanwhile, I'm doing everything, the rice will cook and you don't have to worry about the rice. And what I do to speed up the process also, I put the tortillas in a microwave. Don't judge me, I know, but it doesn't cook all the way, but once you put it in the oven, it'll finish cooking and it still tastes really, really good. So you just grab the tortilla, you put some chicken, excuse my nails, I already washed my hands, and I'm a little extra because I'm fat. I put a little piece of Monterey Jack cheese in there, roll it up, put it on here, and you just keep doing it. You keep repeating the process until it's all done. So this is the final product. I already preheated my oven to 350. So now it's time to go in the oven. You can also do 400 degrees, but just make sure you keep an eye on it because it cooks pretty quick.
10 minutes later.
For the sake of this video, I'm gonna use a glass plate, but usually I use paper plates, but it's okay. So we're ready to eat. I'm gonna serve the boys. Mexican rice. And of course, you cannot forget your salsa. If y'all have not tried this salsa, oh my gosh, y'all need to try it. If y'all see this at the grocery store, trust me, you'll thank me later. This chile is bomb. Just put a little bit on the side. Trust me, it picas. So now it's time to try it. It's good. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It was my first time making a video like this. So if you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you guys have any suggestions or tips or any new recipes, make sure to leave them in the comments below.